Hello everyone and welcome to this new video for the news in the version 9.1.1.1 of XGSLab software. In this video I would like to show something that is very interesting for the users that usually deal with interferences. As you can see, I am viewing one of the projects of our tutorial, and I am viewing it in the way that was necessary to arrange in the past. That is to say that if we wanted in the past to see a beautiful and continuous graphical output for the current, potential and so on induced in the pipeline, we had to arrange it in this way. For example, all the spans are ordered, as you can see, span number 1, then span number 2, then span number 3, and finally span number 4. Moreover, the condition also wanted that the orientation of the different span, of the consecutive spans, were consecutive. So, as you can see, the order was exactly this, and also in this case the order was continuously coherent and had to be this. So basically the main problem was that if you had to modify a long pipeline in a central part by deleting and redrawing one span, you had to redraw the completed pipeline. Consider that now with this old project, the results, if for example I plot the potential on the pipeline, so the result in view 1D is this one. So it is a continuous and beautiful result. Obviously we can also highlight a real and imaginary value, and this is valid also for the current, for example. So this result. If we change the project and we go to this new project, this project, as I am going to show now, is not respecting the condition we saw before, because, for example, this first span is span number 1, this other span is span number 4, the following one is span number 2, and the final one is span number 3. So there is no order. Moreover, there is another interesting condition, that is to say that also the orientation is not anymore coherent, is not anymore continuous between consecutive spans. So if we have a look also to this, you can see that there are reverse orientations. In this case, if we go to results and we make the same thing we made before, that is to say potential, pipeline, and we also keep new horizontal span in the selection. Why this? Because if we have a look, this span number 4 was drawn with this tag. So in our results we plot by filtering these tags, so pipeline and new horizontal span. If we use exactly the same condition of before and we plot this, as you can see, the 1D plot does not give a good output. But there is this new option, sorting mode. In this sorting mode, the default one is span number, that is basically the old sorting mode. If we choose now consecutive and we look with the view 1D, as you can see, we can see exactly what we saw in the previous project. So this sorting mode is able to understand where the span starts and where it ends. Consider that obviously if we have that both the initial span and the initial end have got as a free and a starting point, the software must choose on its own the starting point. So if you are not satisfied with what the software has chosen as a starting point, you can click on this option, invert sorting, and view 1D again. And this exactly inverts the orientation of the 1D output, graphical output. This happens also for the current. So if we choose the current, we put span number on the sorting mode, and obviously the result is this. If we choose consecutive, we have this, that is much more better. So, for all the users that deal with interferences, there is also this very good news about this new version. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next video. Bye bye.